Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to customize the home screen styles and navigation system on the Poco X7 Pro. This is super useful if you want your phone to feel more personal and comfortable to use. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your phone settings, this one. And then from here, just scroll down and tap on home screen, this one, just tap on it. And inside the home screen menu, you will see an option to choose your home screen layout. This one, home screen, just tap on it. And you have two main choices. It's classics and with app drawer. With a classic mode, like the mode that I use now, will put all your apps directly on the home screens like this. It's like simple and everything is right in front of you. And meanwhile, when you use with app drawer mode, this mode will add an app drawer like this, where you can swipe to see all your apps in one place like this. It's a cleaner look if you don't like having too many icons on the home screens. Just pick whichever one feels more comfortable for you. But personally, I like the classic one because it has simple looks. And next, let's talk about navigations. Still in the home screen settings, just scroll down until you find system navigations. This one, just tap on it. And here you will see two options too, the buttons and gestures. If you choose the buttons mode or the buttons navigations, this is the classic navigations bar at the bottom with three buttons like this, like back, homes and recent apps. It's very straightforward and familiar, and plus you can customize some shortcuts if you want. And for the gesture navigations, this will replace the buttons with swipe gestures, and it will automatically give you explanations about the gesture. Just tap on learn. And here you will see instructions to learn the gesture, like for example to go to home screens, just swipe from the bottom quickly like this. And then to open recent apps, just swipe from the buttons and pause like this. And then to make a go back gesture, just swipe right or left from the edge like this. And if you wanna learn more about the gesture demos, you can check it on the gesture demos like this. This gesture mode might take a little getting used to, but once you're comfortable, gesture feels really smooth and will give you more screen space. And okay, that's it. You can easily customize both your home screen layout and your navigation system on the Poco X7 Pro. Whether you prefer the simplicity of the classic styles with buttons or the modern look of an app drawer with gestures, it's all about what feels best for you. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!